tonight?
I'm so happy na nakapasok po ako sa top 8.
I can hear your supporters here. I hope that the energy they give you tonight is enough to carry you through the entire competition. Parang andyan din yung supporters mo. Naka-divide and conquer sila tonight. We have here our bowl with the names of our judges.
Yes, please pick your judge for tonight. What a way to open up this Q&A. Your question will come from the one and only Mama Jonas Gafford.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening po.
Magandang gabi. Ito yung tanong mo. Medyo mahirap, wait. Okay. Many young Filipinos today are choosing to work abroad. If your best friend told you he's leaving Santa Rosa for good, would you encourage him to stay or support him to go? Why?
Thank you so much for that question. I would encourage him to stay in Santa Rosa, not to hold his dream, but because our city is progressive, thriving, and full of opportunities for young people like me. Santa Rosa doesn't just offer jobs, it offers direction, growth, and dream for every youth. But more than the place you work, true success is not measured. True success is not measured by. Thank you.
Very well said, thank you very much. On 10. Alright, before we move on to our next contender for tonight, I would like to request everyone, all our senses right over here, while we are listening to our Ginoons deliver their thoughts, kindly please avoid making unnecessary noise.
That's right. Let's keep that applause, cheer, and drumming for after they are done answering. So we can respect their time here in front of everyone on this spectacular stage.
True enough. As I always say, please hold your horses.
Let's do that tonight.
And now let's move on to our next Ginoo from Book Samsudin, Ampuan.
Ginoong 14, welcome to your first Q&A round and welcome to the top 8. Do you want to say something to your friends, family, supporters that are here tonight?
Unang-una po sa lahat, gusto ko pong pasalamatan. Napakagaling po naming Mayor Arlene B. Arcillas. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa ganitong proyekto po. And lalo na po kay Direk Carlites de Guzman. Direk Carlites, maraming salamat po. Nakita po namin ang iyong pagpapaganda sa event na to. And syempre po, sa pamilya ko po na sumusuporta sa aking nanay. Mahal na mahal kita. And sa mga kaibigan ko. And syempre gusto ko rin pong gamitin yung pagkakataon na to dahil idol ko po si Sir John Lucas. Sana pa, hindi mo na si Armea.
Wow, we love the great
I'm a fan of yours.
Okay, that's the answer. I'm just
That's not the
kidding.
answer yet, ladies and gentlemen. That was just his thank yous. Let's give him a chance to also pick a judge for tonight.
Samsudin, please pick your judge for this segment.
And you have picked Miss Krishna Gravides.
Hello po, magandang hapon, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you so much for having us and happy 20th edition of Ginoong Santa Rosa. Okay, this is your question. How do you define being a modern Filipino man in a city that is both traditional and progressive? Again, how do you define being a modern Filipino man in a city that is both traditional and progressive?
Lolo. Maraming salamat po sa magandang katanungan. Ang isang modernong lalaki sa tradisyonal, ngunit progresibong lungsod ay may paggalang sa nakaraan, ngunit handang harapin ang hinaharap. Isang lalaking may prinsipyo, may paninindigan at handang makibagay sa napapanahon. Higit sa lahat, naniniwala ko ang tunay na modernong lalaki ay handang humarap sa hinaharap at handang manguna para sa maunlad na ngayon at para sa bukas na panahon. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
It was so beautiful the way he spoke Filipino. It sounded so poetic to me.
Yes. That's Pook Samson and Abuan. Now let's hear it from Maliklit, Lorenzo Banyas.
Hello there, Ginoong number 4. Take a deep breath. This is your moment. Would you also have something to say to your friends, family, and supporters that are here? Or baka naman may thank you list ka din, katulad ng previous candidate?
Gusto ko pong pasalamatan lahat ng sumuporta sa akin ngayong gabi, lalo na po sa family and friends ko. I love you all.
I love that it's short and sweet.
So loving. Okay, Lorenzo, please pick a name. Again, let's hear the question from the beautiful Miss Krishna Gravides.
Hello, magandang hapon.
Hello po.
Okay, here is your question. With AI and automation changing industries, what skill should every young man in Santa Rosa start developing today to remain relevant tomorrow? Again, with AI and automation changing industries, what skill should every young man in Santa Rosa start developing today to remain relevant tomorrow?
Thank you. With AI and automation changing industry, the most important skill we must develop is adaptability. Technology can perform tasks, but it cannot replace character, creativity, and compassion. Santa Rosa is a city of growth and innovation. If we remain curious and committed to learning, we will not fear the future, we will shape it. Because in a world run by machines, it is a human heart will always lead. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Lorenzo Banyas from Maliklit.
Such a beautiful message, and in Pia's words, so timely and relevant.
Had goosebumps, actually. Now let's move forward to Tagapo, Matthew Hernandez.
Number 8, welcome to the top 8 as well. We know that you have supporters with you here as well. Please give them a message before we start our question and answer.
I would like to acknowledge my family all the way from Quezon Province who support me here.
Yeah. Welcome to the province of Laguna, the city of Santa Rosa.
And to all the supporters of Ginoong Santa Rosa.
Thank you very much. Number 8, parang ready ka na for this portion. If you are indeed ready, please pick the name of a judge. You may give it to me. And you have picked Mr. Sergio Azuaga.
Okay, magandang hapon, good afternoon. Okay, contestant number 8, here's your question. Mental health awareness is growing in the Philippines, yet many men still struggle in silence. How can Ginoong Santa Rosa redefine strength among men in our city? Do you want me to repeat? Mental health awareness is growing in the Philippines, yet many men still struggle in silence. How can Ginoong Santa Rosa redefine strength among men in our city?
I think we can redefine the strength of men here in Santa Rosa by showing empathy to one another. Because I believe that being men is giving a sign of masculinity. But I am here showing in the front of you that masculinity doesn't define men. Indeed, we need to focus on something that we can give to our city. And we should focus on something we we should focus on something we need to familiarize in our city. Thank you.
Thank you very much. In old age, Matthew Hernandez from Tagapo.
Right in the nick of time as well. That was the first time we heard the bell tonight.
Yeah. Now let's move on to our next contender from Dila, Dan Alfonso Roque.
Hello there, Ginong number 3. You look dashing in that barong tonight. We also heard some trumpets there in the back. Baka naman you want to give them a shout out?
Magandang gabi po sa lahat at maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta. Patuloy niyo po kaming suportahan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Please pick a name. You know, I'm actually a fan of this woman. Let's hear it from the beautiful, belated happy birthday, Alexi Brooks.
Good evening, Santa Rosa. Thank you for having us in here. Good evening, candidate number 3. So your question is, in a time when everyone wants to go viral, how do you remain valuable? Again, in a time when everyone wants to go viral, how do you remain valuable?
I think I can remain viral. I think I can remain valuable by keeping things in private. As someone who values privacy, I believe that you become more valuable when you do things genuinely and not for applause. That's all. Good evening, everyone, and thank you.
Thank you very much. You know, all 3, and Alfonso Roque.
Privacy indeed is some sort of a privilege now in this digital age, wouldn't you say?
I agree with that. So you're being valuable, but of course, keeping something personal for yourself.
That's true.
And now let's move on to our Ginoo from Sinalhan, Matt Miguel Trinos.
Ginoo number 2, are you ready for this next part of the competition? Did you think that you would make it this far?
I will try my best.
He will try his best, and sometimes that is enough.
Yes. All right, so please pick a name.
Let's hear it one more time from Alexi Brooks.
Good evening, candidate number 2. Your question is, if future Rosenses ask what Ginoong Santa Rosa stood for in 2026, what should history say about you?
If people will remember Ginoong Santa Rosa 2026, I hope they remember someone who chose service over spotlight. Someone who used his platform to inspire, discipline, respect, and unity among young men. Because what truly matters is the impact we leave in our community. Dahil ang corona ay pansamantala, pero ang kabutihan loob ay panghabang buhay at tatatak talaga. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. Ginoo 2, Matt Miguel Trinos from Sinalhan. I like that finishing line.
That was a very strong message, and I actually love that he said it in Filipino.
True. Okay, now let's hear it from our best in talent from Labas Hanslet Aumentado.
Number 1, congratulations on winning Best in Talent tonight. Can you tell us, please, because I wasn't here, what was your talent?
Actually, my talent is folk dancing. We celebrate the tradition and culture from the Philippines, specifically the Tausug dance.
Kaya mo i-sample ngayon? A joke lang.
I was actually watching, you know, when I saw him dance, I said, that's best in talent.
Oh, wow. So you already had an inkling.
Yeah. Okay, so now Lance, please pick a name.
Let's hear it also one more time from the one and only Mr. Jonas Gafford.
Hello, magandang gabi. Your question is... No, this is interesting. If you could erase one Filipino trait that holds us back, what would it be and why?
We Filipinos are very much sentimental, and sometimes these hold us back. While being a sentimental is not entirely wrong, but sometimes it prevents us from growing and learning. If I could have the chance, I would erase this trait. Because part of the progress is learning how to let go. And sometimes, letting go brings more peace in our lives. Rather than choosing to hold on. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You know, Juan Heslands Lamentado from the bus.
Wow, what a powerful message. Quite intriguing as well. I love what he said. Part of progress is being able to let go.
True. I actually like to, if you were given a chance to delete one, I'd probably delete all.
Oh, wow. I would probably say Filipino time.
Yeah, being late and stuff. Okay, and now, let's hear it from our last on the list. We have Cyrus Aaron Fortes from Pita.
Ginoong number 7, last but never the least, while you were listening to your co-candidates answer the question, what was going through your mind?
I'm just